What is our mission and what we will do, saka tayo mag-usap. Hindi po namin ginawa ang Ascendra for the comp plan or the marketing plan. This is not just an M&M company. This is not just a pioneering company. This is a movement. This is a mission. This is a solution company para sa maraming tao. The solution is simple. If we provide you the strategy, the system, the process, na magbabago yung self-image mo, na kaya ko to, magaling ako, yayaman ako, may strategy dito, then we were able to get to your goals. We will be in this ride together and we will make sure that this journey will be the best journey. One of the best journeys of your life. We will make sure na pagdating ng panahon, lahat kayong masaya kasi nakuha niyo mga pangarap. Join us. Join us because this is not just a company. This is a mission. Join us because this is not just a mission, but this, ladies and gentlemen, is a revolution. Be part of Ascendra because we will be making history in the MLM industry. Wala pong grupo-grupo sa Ascendra. Lahat tayo pamilya. Ladies and gentlemen, formally and officially, I announce to you, welcome to Ascendra. Kasama nyo sa pag-asenso. Good afternoon and more power. Happy ascending!